In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add and organize category pages to your website's menu. This process will help visitors navigate your site with ease, enhancing their overall experience. So let's get started. Start by opening your website editor. You want this tool at the ready because it's the central hub where all your modifications will take place. Once you're in your editor, look to the left side menu. Here, you'll find a variety of options, but your focus should be on the icon resembling a page with a menu icon over it. This icon represents the Pages and Menu section, which is crucial for managing the structure and flow of your website's navigation. After clicking the Pages and Menu icon, you'll notice a panel appearing on your screen. Scroll down to the bottom of this panel to uncover the option Plus Add Menu Item. This step is vital as it initiates the process of including a new element to your menu. Now, you'll encounter a decision point. Do you wish to link to an existing category page? Or are you looking to create a completely new category page? If you decide to add a simple link, you'll want to select Link. This option is perfect if you already have a category page set up and you're just looking to make it accessible from your menu. When you choose this, you'll be prompted to select Page from the left side menu. Once you've done that, a drop-down will appear labeled Which Page. Here, choose the specific category you're targeting, making sure it aligns with the destination you wish to showcase. On the other hand, if you're aiming to establish a brand new page that acts as a category page, go with the Page option. This enables you to build a designated space tailored to your specific content area. After selecting Page, look for the Which Page drop-down menu again, and here, focus on the Category Page option. Once that's selected, specify the exact category you desire to highlight on your site. Don't forget to click Done. This action finalizes the addition of your new category to the menu, making it visible and accessible. Subsequently, the newly added category will appear in your menu list. This is where you have the opportunity to personalize it further by renaming it to something more intuitive or appealing, perhaps changing Shop Bestseller to simply Bestsellers. Finally, let's talk about organizing your menu for improved user experience. If you're interested in creating a subcategory, this is quite straightforward. Simply click and drag the newly added menu item, positioning it directly under and slightly to the right of the parent category. This physical adjustment on your screen mirrors the hierarchy and nested structure of your site, making navigation a breeze for your visitors. That's all for today. By following these steps, you've not only made your website more organized, but also enhanced the user experience, ensuring visitors can find exactly what they're looking for with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.